In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discern the file location of your videos on Google Vids, an invaluable skill for those navigating the expansive ecosystem of Google's workspace, especially when managing or sharing digital media assets efficiently. Let's dive right in. Google Vids, a component of the broader Google Workspace suite, is a platform designed to streamline the management and dissemination of video content across your team or organization. Knowing how to find the specific location of your Google Vids files can significantly enhance your workflow, whether you're organizing content, sharing videos with colleagues, or simply keeping track of your digital assets. First, you'll need to start by opening your preferred web browser. From there, navigate to the Google Vids homepage. This is the gateway to all your video content stored within Google's ecosystem, and it's where our journey begins. Upon arriving at the page, your next step will be to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located towards the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to proceed with the login process. You'll be faced with a choice. Select the Google account you wish to use. This step is particularly crucial if you manage multiple accounts or have separate ones for personal and professional use. Choosing the correct account ensures you're accessing the right set of videos and assets. Once you've successfully navigated the sign-in process, your next step is a little more nuanced. You'll want to locate the specific video whose file location you're interested in. For demonstration purposes, let's assume you've already got a video in mind. On the Google Vids interface, find and click on File. This is typically situated in the upper menu bar, an anchor point for many user actions in Google's software products. After clicking File, your next action is to seek out the Details option. This selection will usher you into a deeper layer of information about your video, one that encompasses various metadata and logistical details about your file. It's a treasure trove of data, but we're on a mission for one piece of information in particular. Within the Details section, continue to look for a subsection or tab labeled Location. This is the goldmine where Google discloses the precise storage location of your video within the Google Workspace infrastructure. Whether your video resides in a specifically designated Drive folder or another location stipulated by your organization's storage conventions, location will provide clarity and direction. By following these steps, not only do you become more adept at navigating Google Vids, but you also equip yourself with the knowledge to manage your digital assets more effectively. Understanding the intricacies of file locations is imperative in today's digital age, where the efficient handling of digital content can significantly impact productivity and collaboration. A couple of additional tips to enhance your Google Vids experience. Always ensure that your browser is up to date, as Google services work best with modern, updated browsers. Additionally, familiarizing yourself with Google Drive's organizational structure can complement your skills in managing video content, since Google Vids and Google Drive are integrally linked. There you have it, a straightforward guide to locating your video files in Google Vids. By mastering this simple process, you enhance not only your personal efficiency, but also contribute to the streamlined operations of your team or organization. As you become more familiar with Google Workspace's ecosystem, you'll find that these skills are just the beginning of what you can achieve in managing and sharing digital content effectively. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Embrace these steps and you'll find navigating Google Vids and your entire digital library to be a breeze. See you in the next video.